Hi friends, welcome back to Karmakar's Kitchen and I am Shruti Karmakar. Before I begin, wish you all a very happy Durga Puja. Stay safe and enjoy the festival to the fullest. Ashtami and Navami nights are very special to us and we crave for some delicacies which are just made for the days like Ashtami and Navami. I'm talking about mangsho, kosha mangsho. Kosha mangsho to go with porota or pulao. So today I present Punjabi Mutton Masala Curry. Let's begin. To make Punjabi Mutton Masala Curry, here I have taken about 500 grams of mutton which is thoroughly washed and cleaned. Next I'm going to marinate the mutton with some salt, about 1 teaspoon, lime or lemon juice, about 1 teaspoon, grated ginger garlic or ginger garlic paste, about 2 teaspoons, yogurt, about 3/4 of a cup. Now mix everything and massage the meat pieces with the marinade nicely. Once done, cover it and keep aside for a minimum of 1 hour. The longer you marinate, the better will be the taste. Longer marination adds great flavor and tenderness to the meat. Meanwhile, let's make a special masala mix for our curry. For this, we are gonna dry roast some spices like 5 to 6 cloves, about teaspoon of black peppercorns, 2 black cardamoms, whole coriander 2 teaspoons, whole cumin 1 teaspoon, dry red chili whole 2 pieces, cinnamon sticks 2 pieces, fennel seeds 2 teaspoons. Now we are going to dry roast all the spices till it turns aromatic, but just be careful not to burn them. Therefore keep the temperature between medium to low. Spices are roasted nicely. Transfer into a bowl and let it cool down completely before grinding it into a fine powder. Meanwhile, let's start making the gravy by adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil into the pan, 2 teaspoons of ghee or clarified butter. Heat it up, and once it is nice and hot, add thinly sliced onions. Here I have used 3 small sized onions. Saute the onions until it turns golden brown. Onions have turned nice golden brown and now it's time to add ginger garlic paste. About 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste I am adding here. And some chopped green chilies as well, about 3 to 4 chilies. Saute the whole thing on medium flame until the raw smell of ginger garlic goes away. Now it's time to add some powdered spices like turmeric powder half teaspoon, red chili powder 1 teaspoon. If you like, you can add Kashmiri red chili powder as well. Onions have seasoned well. Now we go back to our roasted whole spices which we left for cooling, remember? So now it's time to transfer them into a grinder and make a fine powder. Punjabi cuisine itself is very famous for its garam masala. This masala brings a strong touch of Punjabi food culture in any dish. And here we have an aromatic blend of roasted spices. And the whole thing goes straight into the pan. Cook the masala really well, and if it is too dry like this one here, then add some water to prevent it from burning. This recipe is loaded with flavors and actually very easy to cook. Now we are going to add tomato puree, about a cup. Give it a good mix and braise along the masala. I haven't added salt yet, so now I am adding salt to taste. You can also use mustard oil as the base of this mutton curry for an authentic taste. Meanwhile, I added some water into it because the masala was getting thicker. Add water as per your gravy requirement. The masala has cooked nicely and released enough oil. Now we are going to add the meat into it and sear on medium to high heat. Once the meat is incorporated nicely, cook for 3 to 4 minutes before we go for cooking on dum. Well, alternately you can pressure cook the whole thing under 5 to 6 whistles. Now it's time to cover and cook on medium to low flame for 15 minutes at first. After 15 minutes, check on the meat and give it a good stir. It needs a little more time to cook, so what I'll do, I'll just add half a teaspoon of ghee into it and give it a good mix and cook again under cover for 15 minutes. It should ideally take 30 to 40 minutes depending upon the quality of meat. So here I have covered it again and cooked for another 15 minutes. It's been another 15 minutes. Let's check on the doneness of the meat. The curry looks absolutely gorgeous. And look here, the meat is cooked beautifully and juicy from inside. We are almost done here, guys. Just some final touch up before finishing off. Add some ginger juliennes, handful of cilantro or coriander leaves, couple of green chilies, squeeze about 1/4 of a lime and mix everything together. Cover and turn off the heat. Give it a standing time of 2 minutes before serving. And here we have absolutely gorgeous, delicious Punjabi mutton masala curry. Serve it with steamed rice or pulao. I would like to have it with paratha. Try this amazing recipe today and enjoy the taste. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you really liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Also share and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching Karmakar's Kitchen and I'll see you next week with a new recipe. Till then, take a good care of yourself. Bye-bye.